Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning for everyone. For the first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Heni Yulita. I am a science teacher at Public Junior High School, number one in Loksmawe, Aceh Province, Indonesia. My education background is Master of Science Education. I have been teaching science for 12 years. In this occasion, I want to present my study result about the applying home-based STEM activity to promote student learning motivation during COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, this is my problem that underline my study. Okay, that we know the COVID-19 pandemic make many changes to human life. And then the education system have to adapt and ensure that every student get a proper education without causing the spread of the COVID-19. So we conduct a learning program through the distant learning by conducting learning from home. But in the implementation, we got several problems, like because there is no direct interaction within the student and teacher, and then unsuitable of learning method. So this is cause of the lack learning motivation among students. Student motivation has an important role in creating meaningful learning for students to achieve learning goals. So we need learning innovation to maintain student learning motivation during studying from home. So we have to empower home and family members as a learning resource. And then joyful and challenging learning is very important factor that can maintain the student learning motivation during studying from home. So uh, I try to solve this problem by applying home-based STEM activities, uh, and I hope by applying this method, I can maintain or promote the student motivation during the COVID-19 pandemic. So this study held by conducted with classroom extension. The research was conducted on the class 7A within 22 students at Public Junior High School number one in Loksmawe for 2019 and 2020 school year. This study was held in two learning cycles. Data collection and research documentation are carried out in online method. Data collection was carried out through interview and then motivation questionnaires and parent assistant questionnaires. Okay, this is the scheme of implementing STEM in learning. Like we know, STEM is the integrated learning method that combine science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to help students to solve some problem that given. So in the topics of this, when I conduct this study is about uh, the water layers and the earth structure or earth layers. So this is the scheme of implementing in learning in this material. We use science by applying the concept of water or the earth layer to design water layer or earth layer model by using household material. So they can find many household material to create some model of the water layer or earth layers like this. And then technology they using technology to finding all supporting information in design water layer or earth layers. And then mathematics they can use mathematics in using mathematical calculation in design making water layer model and engineering. This is the very, very important part in STEM methods. When they can use the ability to design water layer model. Okay, in this part we can see how they cognitive level. Okay, this is some picture of the step when they do the part of the STEM activity, home-based STEM activity in their homes. Okay, this is the material, and then their design some model, and then this is the product, the product of the water layer, model of water layer. Okay, result and discussion. Okay, there's here we can see the percentage of the promoting learning motivation in the learning motivation in implementing of the home-based STEM activities to promote student learning motivation. In the first in initial condition, you can see just 4% that students have high motivation in study learning from home with the just question tag or just reading and answer the question. So, and then in the first cycle, we try to introduce them with the home-based STEM activities, and then we can see there is increasing in the student who have the high motivation in learning. That's become 9% in the first cycle, and we can see in the second cycle is increased to 27%. So we can see in this graph the increasing of the student learning motivation during initial condition, first cycle, and second cycle. So when students conduct learning from home, home and family should be empowered and empowered as a conducive learning environment, so students can maintain their learning motivation. And then learning method should provide fresh challenge to students to keep students motivated in learning. And then, so home-based STEM activities can empower the home environment and family member in helping students apply science, technology, engineering, mathematical concepts in solving the challenge that given. So this activity very challenging for students, and it can promote their learning motivation during the learning from home activities in pandemic situation. Okay. The conclusion is the application of home-based STEM activities can increase student motivation during the COVID-19 pandemic. The application of based STEM allow the home to be an excellent learning resort and increase interaction between family members, which has a positive influence on the student learning motivation. Okay. Thank you for your all attention. I hope this can inspire others teacher in this region to make a better learning in all situations, like this pandemic situation. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.